Vipassana meditation in the sitting posture is a practice of awareness and stillness. To begin, choose a position where you can remain reasonably comfortable and alert for 40 to 60 minutes. Keep your back and head straight, close your eyes, and allow the breath to flow naturally. Try to stay as still as possible, only shifting position if it is absolutely necessary. In this practice, the primary object of attention is the natural rise and fall of the belly, just above the navel, as the body breathes in and out. You are not controlling the breath, you are simply observing it. Unlike concentration techniques, Vipassana is not about holding your focus tightly on one point. It is about open awareness. While you are watching the breath, many other experiences will come and go. Thoughts, emotions, judgments, body sensations, even sounds from the outside world. In Vipassana, none of these are considered distractions. When something arises, allow your attention to move to it. Notice it with awareness. Then, when it naturally fades, return gently to observing the rise and fall of the belly. The process of watching itself is what matters, not what is being watched. This practice is not about suppressing experiences or solving problems. It is about seeing everything clearly as it is. If a thought or a question comes up, don't identify with it or get caught in it. Simply observe it as another passing phenomenon. Even problems or mysteries can be enjoyed as part of the unfolding experience. Through this way of sitting, still, attentive, and open, you begin to see the changing nature of body, mind, and the world. And in that seeing, a deeper silence and freedom gradually reveal themselves.